Welcome to a Fun Food Friday. We are social distancing our Fun Food Fridays these days, but we're very excited to try something that I recently discovered, but apparently Cindy and Alana have been holding out on me on, and that is this Olipop right here. So this is kind of a cola version, and then we're also going to be testing this strawberry vanilla version as well to see what we think of it. So this is interesting because it's really high in fiber, and it also is kind of tasty, but has some really interesting herbs and other health benefits in it. And these have 2 grams of sugar each, so that's very exciting. So ladies, I was thinking we could start with the strawberry one, which is very nice and pink, as you guys can see on the video. It's very pretty. So cheers, you guys.
Cheers.
It smells good.
Ooh.
Very sweet.
Mm-hmm.
It's sweet.
I think that's sweeter than I thought it was going to be too.
Yeah.
I think it's because it's the vanilla, so it's kind of more like a cream soda.
Yeah.
I could do like a little bit of it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Mix it with water, maybe. Yeah.
I feel like that would be good with sparkling.
It's good. I feel like if people are used to having more sugar in their diet, then this is like a really good approximation for people that are more used to sugar in it.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, it's very
This
sugary.
one, I haven't looked at the ingredients as much on this one. This one is using strawberry juice. I like that it has the Jerusalem artichoke and chicory root. And it's using the cassava fiber, which is really nice.
Right. So those are all like for digestive health and prebiotics, which is food for the probiotics. So it has some nice health benefits in addition to being
Yeah, very sweet. So this one has 3 grams of sugar, so it has slightly more than the other one. Okay, so let's taste the cola one. And as you can see, I'm trying to tip it so you can see it without spilling it. Okay, it is dark, just like cola. So let's see.
It smells like
It smells like Coca-Cola. So.
Yeah, I mean, it smells like soda.
I like this one a lot better.
Yeah, this one's not as sweet.
Yeah.
This one's more like a classic soft drink, I think.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
This is a great alternative for people, I feel like, 'cause this really
Definitely. For anyone who has an addiction to Coca-Cola.
Yeah.
if you did a blind taste test, I don't know if I could tell the difference.
Yeah.
Yeah, I should have not told Rolando that I was trying to pass one over on him when I had him try this one, because I feel like not knowing it, I think it definitely tastes very, like when I first tried it, I did think it tasted a little more herby.
Subtle.
It's really subtle. It's good. I think this one is good. I like this one. What other flavors have you guys had?
I know that they have an orange, I think it's like orange creamsicle flavor. That one's really good.
And I think I saw a ginger flavor, maybe.
Yeah, I think they do have a ginger. And do you think the orange one is as sweet as the strawberry one?
I think it's a little bit less sweet. I think the strawberry flavor is just like really overpowering in a good way if you like strawberry.
Yeah, I mean, it tasted good. But definitely know what you're getting yourself into. This is very much like in the cream soda vein for sure. And
Yeah.
I could see small amounts. And also it would be really pretty to serve, I feel like, for, something or to mix in where maybe you did. Yeah, exactly. Like I could see, so Alana is known for her beautiful mocktails, if you didn't know. And this would be a fun mocktail because it's so pretty. It has such a pretty color and stuff. So I think that one would be fun. And so I think, these are great for on occasion. Probably we're still not recommending them all the time, but I think this is a lot better option than some of the other sodas that are out there, like the Zevias that are using Rev A and ingredients we don't like. And these have some other health benefits to them. And I love that they have the additional fiber because that's going to slow the impact to your blood sugar. So yeah, very cool. Any final thoughts, ladies?
Oh, the one thing I was going to say is I really like their packaging. I think the vintage style is kind of cute too.
Yeah, I think it's cute.
Oh, yeah. Super cute.
Yeah.
Simple. I like You're right. The soda one's very cute.
Yeah, I like that one more.
Fun.
Cool. Well, we're so excited that you guys got to check out this video, and we hope this was helpful. And be sure to check back because we'll be doing more socially distanced Fun Food Fridays and product reviews shortly. And let us know in the comments below if you've tried this soda, what different drinks you guys like to have, and if you have any favorite mocktail recipes.
Bye,
Thanks so
ladies.
Bye.